Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my November selfie box. If you're curious to see what kind of fun goodies they put in this box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my November selfie box. Guys, the selfie box is one of my favorite makeup subscriptions. I am torn between them and the BoxyCharm subscription, so I may keep both. I may decide to drop one of them. I don't know which one because I like them both equally at this point. So, without further ado, let's jump into what they sent me. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Love their packaging, love their branding, so super fun. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's pop this bad boy open. Ooh, it doesn't want to open. Selfie Box is a fan of the black squiggly pepper. Okay, so here's what it looks like inside. Super fun, festive little card here. I always love when the companies include the card to tell you a little bit about the products that are included in your box. Super nice. Okay, so let me take some of these squigglies away so you guys can kind of see what's going on in here. Awesome. Okay, so let me pop this puppy open. We'll just start with this big thing. Flawlessly Firm Toning Body Butter. It's mango butter, koala nut extract, green tea, and coffee oil. Wow. That's a lot. You think that's like a lot? Guys, I gotta pop this puppy open because I'm very curious. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. You guys know I love when I drop things. Okay, so I'm really curious what that smells like. I mean, it talked about a lot of stuff in there. Ooh. Oh, it smells like heaven. But it looks like cottage cheese. Look at that. I don't want to take a bite, that's for sure. But wow, it smells like heaven. Oh, wow, guys. This is really cool. I don't even know what this is supposed to do, but wow. This one is 4 ounces. Hello. Oh, wow, guys. This smells so good. Okay, let's check out what this is. What did I say it was? Herbal Dynamics Beauty. There we go. Herbal Dynamics Flawlessly Firm Body Butter. The cost of this thing is $25. So if it does whatever the heck it's supposed to do, $25 ain't bad. All right. We found the perfect addition to our night routine. While the CoQ10 serum is this month's box renews your face, this body butter will go to work on your body. So they just, spoiler alert, they just told me something else that was in here. Kind of sucks. All right. Anyways, diminish the appearance of cellulite and achieve younger, firmer looking skin. Sign me up, please. Awesome. So coffee oil tones and tightens, while koala nut and horse chestnut boost circulation. Rich oils, mango butter, and vitamins plump as a warm vanilla scent soothes. It does smell really good, guys. Creating a perfect skin smoothing body butter. Organic, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. All right, guys, if this thing does what it says it does, $25 is 1,000% worth it. All right, awesome. We're off to a great start. Next, we have a mini makeup eraser. Guys, I have like a million of these. I feel like I do anyways. And this one's the mini. So you get a little guy. All right, I have like a ton of these. We know what this does. This takes off your makeup with just water. The value of this little guy is $12. So there's that one. I will most likely stick this in one of my niece's little boxes for Christmas because I have about 4 of these and I don't need another one. So that's what will happen with that. Let's go ahead and pop open this bubble wrapped guy here and see what's happening. So this is, oh, you know what? Hold on. Okay, so last month, the pumpkin spice stuff that I got was broken. So they went ahead and replaced it and just included it in this box, which I greatly appreciate. So this one is clearly not broken. You can't smell it with that on there. Oh, The scent is heaven, guys. So yeah, this one I don't have any information on because I went over this in my last video. So if you're curious about this product, check that one out. But I'm pretty sure this is an under eye cream. And the one that I got was broken, so I was afraid to use it. Of course, I don't want to put glass near my eye in case there was any glass shards in there. So this is the replacement. Go Selfie Box. They have excellent, excellent customer service. I emailed them. They said they would send it to me, and here it is. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what this, Cab lip liner and lip gloss. I got the lip gloss on right now, just saying. And I do like it. I quite like the Cab Cosmetics. So this is $38 value. We're not usually gloss girls, but this lip liner lip gloss kit has made us true believers. Cab, created by the Bierman sisters, has become one of our favorite luxury brands because of unique products like this. So the gel liner formula glides onto the lips for flawless, easy application. You guys know I need that, right? No science. Love the rosy red undertones, the texture, and the smell. It's moisturizing, sharpen the charming tip. Okay. What? Moisturizing. Sharpen the charming lip liner as you would any lip liner. That was kind of hard to read. For me, anyway. Yes, you can sharpen the plastic. Awesome. Cruelty-free and hand-formulated. All right, guys, let's pop it open. Let's see what color they sent to me this time. I'm always down. Oh, it's the same one I have. Yepers, guys, it's the same one I have on. And you know what? I'm so glad they put that in the description because let me tell you guys, I didn't know how to get the rest of it out of here. I didn't know you could sharpen this. So that is good information to have because after I used this tiny bit, I didn't know what to do, so I threw it away. So apparently you can just sharpen it like you sharpen everything else. Wish I had that information with my last one because they definitely didn't put that in the description. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love this stuff. And this is, yes, definitely the exact same color that I'm wearing right now. This stuff is awesome. I absolutely love it. So yay! And now I know how to use the lip liner to sharpen it. Great! I didn't know I could sharpen the plastic. Wonder if I can do the same thing. I have something else that is just like this. Now I'll try to sharpen it because I was about to throw it away. Oh, it's my eyeliner. The one that I just got in one of my things that was so awesome. Yeah, I'm like, it's almost gone. But how do you get more? You sharpen it. Just saying. Alrighty, dighty. Let's move on to the next thing. We have a Girl Lactic Metallic Shadow Stick. Well, that sounds like fun. A metallic shadow stick. Well, let's pop her open, guys, because you got me curious. Oh, great packaging. Wow, look at that, guys. Super pretty. Love it. Okay, so let's pop it open. The whole thing came out. I'm just saying, like the whole thing. So, it's on the floor. Let me repair this, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I wanted to take a minute to interrupt the video to make you aware of this amazing giveaway the Selfie Box has going on. They've partnered with Louise to give away the October Selfie Box. Oh my gosh, guys, this is an amazing giveaway and I wouldn't want you to miss it. So make sure you jump over to Louise's channel to find out all the details for this giveaway. I have linked that video in the description box below, but make sure you do that right after watching this video because the entries for this giveaway end on November 23rd and I wouldn't want you to miss it. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but it wouldn't be an unboxing video of mine if I didn't drop something, right? Just saying. So here's what it looks like all the way inside the thing, and I did already swatch it. So I'm going to put this back on, and I did already swatch it. Very nice, right? Look at that. Awesome! So yeah, I'm totally down for this. Love it, love it, love it. Let's take a look at how much this guy cost. So here it is, Girl Talk Metallic Eyeshadow Stick, $20 for this thing. So near the top of our list of loves is beautiful eyeshadow, followed closely by easy to use makeup. So this month's eyeshadow is love at first sight. This creamy eyeshadow stick, it is very creamy, guys. It was really easy to put on. It went on nice and smooth. Love that. So, this creamy eyeshadow stick delivers effortlessly application and high definition with long-lasting color and no fallout. Guys, don't you hate the fallout in all these eyeshadow palettes? I wonder if I can just buy all my eyeshadow like this. I'm sure I could. I might start doing that. It's Not a bad idea. All right, long wearing and crease resistant. The color glides seamlessly onto lids and blends out easily. It's cruelty free and paraben free. Guys, this is pretty cool. I'm really actually excited about this. So yeah, we're going to give this little guy a go. Pretty pumped about it. Yay! Alrighty, dighty. So let's go ahead and pop this last thing open here. Sealed very good. Oh, it's the CoQ10 Boost Serum with hyaluronic acid. And there you go, guys. There's your little packaging. I'm going to pop this open because I will most likely use this. And if I don't, I'm sure my mom will. So either way, it'll stay with someone who doesn't mind if I touch it. It's not going to go in a giveaway. So my mom won't care if I touch it. She'll still use it. Okay, awesome. So pop it open like a barbarian here. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's just a serum, guys. It's like a milky white serum. There it is, right there. So I'll just rub it in. Not much of a smell. No, not much of a smell at all. Really don't smell anything. Let's take a look here, guys. Here it is. Solo, Javan? I don't know, CoQ10 Renewal Serum. The value of this bad boy is $30, which isn't bad, and it's 1 ounce. So that's not bad. So work, boyfriends, kids, COVID, so many sources of wrinkles and fine lines. Just saying. Without even the kids and the COVID or the boyfriend, I mean, the lines still come, right, guys? I'm just saying. All right, our skin can use all the help it can get, specially formulated to protect the skin from environmental pollutants. Powerful antioxidants and skin calming properties come to the rescue. CoQ10 has skin firming properties that can help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and restore natural radiance. It is cruelty-free and paraben-free. So guys, that rounds out this box. Pretty awesome. So what I'm going to do is tally all of the stuff so that I know how much the value of everything that I got in this box was, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I tallied everything up, but before I give you the total value of this box, let's do a quick recap of what we got. So I got the Cab Beauty Charming Lip Set for $38. We have the Solo Giovanni CoQ10 Renewal Serum for $30. Then we have the Herbal Dynamics Flawlessly Firm Body Butter for $25. The Girl Lactic Metallic Eyeshadow Stick for $20. And the Mini Makeup Eraser for $12, making the total value of this box $125. Guys, I consider that a good deal because I paid $25 a month for this box, so I still got $100 more value than what the box is worth in terms of how much I paid for it. Totally awesome. And honestly, guys, I find myself reaching for all the products they send me in these boxes all the time. So that in itself is a huge plus for me because a lot of these boxes, I don't use a lot of the products. Just saying. So that's why I canceled a lot of my subscriptions because I just didn't find myself using the stuff and I found myself giving most of it away. So why keep getting it? Just saying. And also, this company focuses on cruelty-free makeup, which I think is very important and so awesome that they do that. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have a lot more fun videos coming up this week and I wouldn't want you to miss any of them. So make sure you're subscribed and you've clicked that bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Guys, the selfie box is hands down one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes. I am equally torn. What? They what? Try that again. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my November, I almost said BoxyCharm. Try her again. Okay, guys, so, nope, that didn't work. Like at all. Try her again. Love their packaging. They have a very distinct look. You always... What? Try again. Love their packaging. They have stellar branding. You always know... Why do I always say you always know? Like, what do you always know? Who always knows something? Try it again. And if you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have a lot more fun videos coming up very soon. Oh, I was done. I was done, and then I messed up. Awesome. Okay, guys, so I've tallied everything up, and before I tell you the total great, awesome, subscribe. And honestly, guys, I find myself reaching for all the products that they send in this that they send in this box all the time. So I find that I messed up and I can't reel it back in. So I have to start again. Awesome.